if you are connected with your phone and there are apps that are sending messages in the background, you can also use to ensure sensitive data is encrypted. Welcome to Cyber Control Interface. As you all know, this is a channel we talk about cybersecurity and things that will help you to be better in your cybersecurity career. Today's video, we are looking at a tool. We are looking at a cybersecurity tool that is very efficient, that has proven to be very efficient for a lot of cybersecurity professionals. Called Wireshark. Wireshark is a tool that is very commonly used among a lot of cybersecurity experts. And today, I'm going to just do a short video on how to use this tool to protect your environment, to protect your device, or to protect your network. Basically, we are looking at how Wireshark can protect your data within your networks. As an expert in cybersecurity, this tool is one of those tools that you have to make use of a lot of times in order to protect your system, in order to carry out threat intelligence, in order to find out things. Wireshark is like your security camera for your internet traffic. That is, it's something that watches, that you use to monitor and watch your traffic. So it's basically acting, the way a CCTV camera will always function, monitoring what is going on in the environment where you are not physically present. That's what Wireshark is doing. Wireshark is monitoring your traffic, what is going on within your network. A lot of cybersecurity experts have found Wireshark very useful. Now, Wireshark helps you to understand your network and protect your data. Why do you have to use Wireshark? Using Wireshark helps identify security threats, especially on public Wi-Fi. For example, if you're in a public space and you're connected to a public Wi-Fi, if you launch your Wireshark, you can see what is going on within the network. You can see people, the traffic that is connected. But a caution, please, wherever you're going to make use of this tool, please make sure you have the legal right, or make sure you have the right. Take every caution so that you're not infringing on a network. Don't do this on a private network, on someone else's private network. In a public network, yes, even in a public network, you have to be very careful because you may be infringing on a lot of people's privacy. So why use Wireshark? Wireshark can help you identify security threats on the public Wi-Fi. You can see what is going on. You can see the messages you are sending. You can see the unencrypted messages that your device is sending out there, and you can stop it before you send too much confidential information over a public Wi-Fi. It can also help you to monitor unusual network activity. For example, if you are connected with your phone and your phone is your apps, or even your device, or your laptop, and there are apps that are sending messages in the background, you can use it to monitor unusual network activity. You can also use it to ensure sensitive data is encrypted. Wireshark can help you to achieve all this. Now, how do you install Wireshark? So basically, you go to wireshark.org. It's an easy to install tool. Just follow the network wizard, download the app, download the file, run an installation. The wizard, the setup wizard, will guide you through the step of installing Wireshark. Then, once you do that, open Wireshark and select the network interface. So I'm on the screen. You can see I'm opening the Wireshark. You select the interface you want to capture, whether the Wi-Fi of your have a local connection, the interface connected to your laptop. You can select which interface you want Wireshark to monitor the traffic. You can monitor the Bluetooth, you can monitor the Wi-Fi, you can monitor the LAN connection. So once you do that, Wireshark automatically loads and start to capture the traffic. There are filters, that are used like commands on Wireshark to check a particular IP address. For example, if you see on the screen, you can type IP address, then put the IP, get your IP from your phone, get the IP of the device you want to, and insert it, and then the Wireshark will show you traffic that's going on within that interface, or within or that is going on into or out of that IP address. So you can apply a capture filter, you can search for a host or DNS. You can, look at what is going on different protocols, IP address. You can check the DNS traffic. You can check a lot of domain name. You can check a lot of things going on using the Wireshark traffic. Then once you launch your Wireshark, you can launch any app, go to any website, visit any IP address or visit any domain. Wireshark will capture it. Then you can come to the Wireshark and filter for that domain or filter for that IP address that you have searched, and then the traffic going on between your device and that destination will be seen. You can use Wireshark to analyze capture traffic. For example, you look at the screen, You can see we have the Internet protocol, you have the Ethernet protocol, you have the TCP string, you have all this, uh, and then it will show you what is going on. You can see the extra details. This analysis, can be done easily using Wireshark. You can see DNS, look up TCP, general data transfers. You can see the unencrypted web traffic if there is any going on within your traffic.
If you want a structured way in which you can put these things together, you want a structured way learning how you can demonstrate your practical skills, or you can gain practical experience, please don't forget to join or to sign up on the link in the description of this video. Join our one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity coaching, where we're going to put you through how you can follow a step-by-step process into achieving all these practical skills.
Wireshark can also help you detect security threats. You can spot suspicious IP addresses. You can spot unencrypted login. Look for unexpected connections. All these things Wireshark, can reveal to you. Best practices for protection: use only websites that have HTTPS. So if you are visiting any website that doesn't have HTTPS, that is, the HTTP traffic is not encrypted or is not secured, you can detect it using the Wireshark. Another best practice you need to take note of while using the internet generally is to avoid public Wi-Fi. So if you are on a public Wi-Fi and you are sending sensitive information, you can launch your Wireshark to check the kind of information you are sending. So Wireshark can help. But best practice stipulates that you avoid public Wi-Fi when you are sending sensitive information, and then you can also ensure that you use VPN. These are best practices. Wireshark will help you to detect all these errors if you are not doing best practice. If you are not sticking to best practice, a network engineer or a cybersecurity engineer in your office can launch Wireshark and be monitoring what is going on in the network. And if he sees that someone is violating this, he can easily pick your IP address from the Wireshark and then get you to know that this person is sending unencrypted traffic or sensitive information via unencrypted traffic. So Wireshark empowers you to take action or to take control of digital security. If this video has taught you anything and you are interested in learning more about Wireshark, about how the tool works, sign up for our one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity course. Its link is in the video description. We are going to take you through everything you need to know, about Wireshark, the foundational things you need to know about Wireshark for you to be able to apply it as a cybersecurity expert. So if you have enjoyed or learned one or two things in this video, please like and share. And if you are coming on for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.